Tototi nemakorokoto, congratulations are in order for Sir Wicknell's younger brother, Ferg, who got married in a lavish traditional wedding last weekend at the age of 23. The event was nothing short of spectacular, showcasing the epitome of glitz and glamour. Muri yeZimbabwe, kusangana zvakare panonzi pano, kana iri first time yenyu kuvawo pano, ndapota bayai apo pakanzi subscribe, mobva malaika nekusharewo video rino, izvi zvinobatsira kuti risvike kure. Muchato uyu waive wemhando yepamusoro-soro. The wedding featured an impressive display of luxury with Sir Wicknell's enviable car collection, including multiple Rolls Royces stealing the show. The decor was top-notch, setting the tone for a classy and elegant celebration that left guests in awe. Aingove Mbinga vibes oga. Asi chanyanyoita musindo pa social media is the mystery surrounding Ferg's bride. Pamapicture ese akashayiwa pa event Ferg ainge akangoviga chisvo chemukadzi wake, sparking curiosity and speculation. But as we all know, social media detectives are relentless, and it's only a matter of time before they uncover her identity. Mucharangarira here paya painzi Mbinga iri kuchitungwiza kung'anga what aiwa ndo musi vakomana pavakandobvunzira matekenyandebvu, rutsambo nevhura muromo. So mafanzi adururawo pfungwa dzawo nezveroora iri, vanyora kuti tese totoda kuroora asi chiri kuita kuti tizviti hazvisati zvakuita kushaya mari. Aya hasi maroro, it's an African wedding. Congratulations. Tipei pressure tidzipwe tife. I love the privacy. Mwana wevanhu continues living her life normally. While Ferg has clearly followed in his brother's footsteps of enjoying life in the spotlight, his decision to keep his bride's identity private has earned respect and admiration. This wedding not only showcased wealth and elegance, but also struck a balance between public celebration and personal boundaries. To Ferg and his mystery bride, congratulations on this new chapter. May your union be as glamorous and full of love as your big day was. Congratulations, Makorokoto.